So first what you want to do is take your STL, bring it into your slicer, and you notice it has this really weird like ghost kind of spot. You scroll down on the layers and you see that white bit goes all the way down to the bed. That actually prints when you try and print this. So what you should do is open up the Windows Store, search for 3D Builder. It's this one right here. You'll probably have like get or install 3D Builder and then open it up. Then click on New Scene. Drag in your 3D model. Click Import Model. You'll see the red square. That kind of tells you that the file's broken. Click Repair down on the bottom. That can take a while depending on the model. Then click the hamburger menu and save. You can save it any format. I'm going to rename it and save it as an STL. Then all you have to do is take that new file and drag it into your slicer again. This time you are going to see that that ghosting is gone and you can print this file.